Are you worried about unauthorized access to your sensitive data in Looker Studio? Let's lock that down. First, locate the Google Drive file connected to your Looker Studio report. This could be a Google Sheet, CSV, or other supported data source. Click on the three vertical dots the More Options menu located next to your files name. A drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, select Share. This opens the sharing settings for your Google Drive file. Here, you can specify who has access to the data and enter the email addresses of the individuals or Google groups you want to grant access to. For each person or group, choose the appropriate permission level. Viewer allows them to only view the data. Commenter allows viewing and commenting. Editor grants full access to edit the data source, so be careful with this one. Avoid using the Get Link option unless absolutely necessary. And if you do, ensure it's restricted to specific people, rather than anyone with the link. Anyone with the link is not recommended for sensitive data. Once you've added all the necessary people and set their permission levels, click Send. This will notify them of their new access. Now, only those users will be able to see the data within your Looker Studio report, keeping your insights secure and compliant. High five for data security.